In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print expenses in Zoho Books. We'll walk through this process from inside your Zoho Books account, so make sure you're already logged in and on your organization's dashboard before you begin. Printing expenses is really useful when you need a hard copy for audits, reimbursements, or for sharing with someone who doesn't have access to your Zoho Books account. First, look at the menu on the left side of your Zoho Books dashboard. This is where you'll find all your major modules like sales, banking, and so on. From this list, click on the option labeled Purchases. The Purchases section is where all of your spending-related records live, such as bills, vendor credits, and of course, expenses. Clicking Purchases will open a submenu or a page that shows different purchase-related options. Once you're in the Purchases area, find and click on Expenses. This will bring you to a dedicated page that lists all the expenses that have been recorded in your account. Here, you'll usually see a table with details like the expense date, the vendor or payee, the amount, the status, and maybe a description. If you have a lot of expenses, you can use any filters or search bars available to quickly locate the expense you need, such as by date, vendor, or amount. Taking a moment to narrow down the list can save you time, especially in larger accounts. Next, from the list of expenses, select the specific expense that you want to print. You can usually do this by clicking directly on the expense entry itself, often on the date or the expense number. This action will open the detailed view of that single expense. On this page, you'll see all the information related to that expense, including categories, taxes, and any notes you may have added. It's a good idea to quickly review the details to make sure everything is correct before printing, since the printout will reflect exactly what you see here. Finally, look toward the top of this expense detail page for a set of buttons or actions, such as Edit, More Options, and so on. Among these options, click on the Print button located above the expense. When you click Print, Zoho Books will generate a print-ready version of the expense and open your browser's print dialog. From there, you can choose your printer, adjust settings like page size or orientation, or save it as a PDF if you prefer a digital copy. And that's all you need to do to print an expense in Zoho Books.